Panasonic GH5 is used by a lot of people for video, and we wanted to show you how to access your PAS or M controls for the camera. Now, a common misconception is that if I set the camera to M here or S for shutter priority, and I make a shutter speed change, or if I'm in manual, I change aperture and shutter, that immediately populates over to video when I press the little red video button. The truth is it doesn't. These are photography PAS and M modes. When you press this record button when you're in one of these modes, you're now in full auto video, and the camera's going to select your shutter speed, your ISO, and your exposure automatically. If you want to be able to have control over your exposure while shooting movies, we need to turn the mode dial up to the creative movie mode. This is the movie camera with an M next to it. Once I'm in there, when you go into the camera's menu, you'll see the top tab is now our movie camera menu with the M next to it. Page 1 of 2, you can now see your exposure mode, and if I hit set, I have PAS or M as an option there. There's another way to access those PAS and M modes without having to go in the menu. You see our little symbol here with the movie camera and the M next to it on the back of the touchscreen? Just touch that, and that brings up your options for PAS or M. Select manual, set your exposure, and you're ready to go.
Panasonic.